Channel. So what I have right here, I have some party wings, some white shrimp. I already cleaned the shrimp out, you know what I mean? Got the vein out, what I don't supposed to be in the shrimp. I have me some noodles. I want me some spicy noodles. Have me some fish fry right there, seasoning, bread mix. So everything gonna be dipped in that fish fry. My oil already heating up. I have me some gator meat over here with the bone in. So we're gonna see how this is, you know what I mean? Me and my wife was at the little grocery store down the way, ran into the little gator meat. So I want to make it happen with this good gator meat. So I'm finna go ahead and rinse this gator and all that good stuff, and we'll take it from there. So here go the gator meat right here, rinsed it real good, you know what I mean? So I'm finna go ahead and pat it dry, and then we'll go ahead and bread this joint, and I'll be back. Okay, so here we go right here. The seasoning I'm gonna use for this is my Italian seasoning. This Italian seasoning be on hit, real talk. And you see all them herbs in there mixed up, man. Okay. Now I'm gonna use my Old Bay seasoning. Oh, my bad. Okay, that's it right there. So now, mix everything together, like this here. Oh. Just like that there. Okay. So now it's time to throw this bad boys in here. And bread everything. Make sure your piece of seafood, meat, gator, get this issue, you know what I'm talking about? This out the way. I'm gonna rinse my hands real quick. Rinse my hands. Okay. I'm gonna go shake this bad boy. You know what I mean? Just like that there. I left everything a little damp, you know what I mean? So, you know, the seasoning and the breaded can stick. Like that there. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna let this sit for like 5 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and get these bad boys in this grease, and I'll be back. Okay, so here we go right here. Have to shake it up again because I've been sitting for like 5 minutes. Boom, it's the gator right here. Chicken. You don't want to overdo it. So that's the little pieces I'm gonna put in there. See how it come out. Boom, there we go right there. So I say let these fry for like, 8 minutes. So we'll go ahead and let these bad boys do its thing, and I'll be back. Okay, so here we go right here. So it took 20 minutes for this first batch right here. You know, after your grease start cooking for a while, it get, hotter. So here we go right here. Boom, it's starting to flow to the top. That's when you for sure know that your meat is done. Whatever you fry, start floating up to the top. Boom. So we have our chicken, and we have our gator meat. Oh man. So that's what we have going on. I'm gonna do the shrimp last because I know, the shrimp don't take that long to cook anyway. The fry. You know what I mean? So, boom. So, like I said, it's got good chicken and I gator meat. Right here. Boom. And that's how we looking. That look nice to me. What you think, bud?
Yep.
Look good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Alright. So, I'm going to go ahead and shake it again. Nope, make sure it get its coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of this batch in there, and I'll be back. So here we go right here. I'm making my sweet and sour hot sauce, sweet and sour spicy sauce, you know what I mean? So I have my Sriracha sauce right here. I'm adding with it, stir it at the same time. You can add as much as you want. It depends, you know what I mean, how hot you want it. I love spicy, hot. Alright. Sweet and sour hot sauce right here. Just like that there. So you just take your time with it and just stir it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sit here and just stir it for like another 8 minutes until it get thick. My satisfaction, you know what I mean? And then we're gonna get these bad boys on a good plate. And I'll be back. Here we go right here. That good fried chicken, shrimps, and gator meat with my spicy noodles and my sweet and sour hot sauce that I mixed up. You know what I mean? Your boy doing a stizzle. For real. Can't tell me that don't look good. Man. So now I'm gonna see how it tastes. You know what I'm talking about? There we go right there. See, that's that good gator right there. See, that's the gator meat right there. Oh. And you know how chicken look. That's that good chicken and shrimp. You know what I mean? Your boy made it happen in a real way. So let me go ahead and get to this table and we'll take it from there. Here we go right here. Your boy back at it again. You know what I mean? Doing my thing in this good kitchen. So like I said, I have my shrimp. my chicken, and my gator meat. You know what I mean? With my spicy noodles, my sweet and sour hot sauce. You know what I'm talking about? So we finna do our thumbnail. Okay. So that's the thumbnail right there. So what I'm finna do now, bless my food. Okay. So first we go bite into this good chicken. You know what I mean? We're gonna dip it in my sauce. Oh, you know what I mean? That's what I'm talking about. I gotta hit this again, you hear? Good chicken, nice and juicy, crunchy, you know what I mean? Okay. Now we finna see how this gator rocking. You know what I'm talking about? Okay. They say the tail is the best. So I don't know what part of the gator this is. But that's how I look right there. That's how that meat look. You know what I mean? I'm gonna hit this again. The gator is nice. So tomorrow when I get up, I'm finna go buy all the pack of gator. You know what I'm talking about? Cause you know your boy out here in California, and we don't have gator like that. And I found this spot down the street from my house, you hear? So I'm finna go buy every pack of gator they have. I'm going crazy in they store, you hear? Alright, we had the shrimp right here. You know what I mean? Nice good shrimp. Fire. Fire. I had to add some more hot sauce, you know what I mean, to my noodles. I love spicy food anyway, you hear? So you're gonna take a nice bite of these noodles. Noodles is right, you know what I mean? For sure, the noodles is right. Yes, sir. So, don't forget, like, comment, and share. Hit that bell, all notifications. Y'all have a good night. God bless.